don't think I don't think you got the right gasket for that.
You don't think so? That's what I got from Morales.
I think you gave the wrong gasket. Because to me, it would seem like there needed to be like a big rubber grommet on that motherfucker, dude. Not a little gasket like that. Here, you can have it.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying, Paul?
Yeah. Man, bro. Alright, so we put this here. Don't worry about the smoke, because the smoke is just a little bit of the motor oil. We just feel on the side right here. That right there, from the back of the intake, we put this here. We put a new gasket, we put a new tube seal on it, so it's still getting air coming out. We put this on it, kind of seal off that air, and my car acts like it's having a seizure. So, but my code is a vacuum leak. So I try to do the tube seal, no go. Here's this sort of putty stuff. And when I put it here, as you notice, the car just acted real funny. Let me get on this end. I'm trying to do it one-handed, excuse me. Ow, that hurts. Okay, so.